Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Most plastic containers like takeout boxes, water bottles and condiments tubs or jars are not safe for microwave use. Microwavable takeout dinner trays have been specially engineered to withstand a single use in the kitchen appliance.
Take our lead.
Use glass, ceramic and plastic containers and plastic wrap that are labeled as microwave safe. Single-use containers, like margarine tubs, tend to warp or melt in the microwave. This may allow more of the substances in the plastic to leach into the food.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Can you microwave plastic? To know if a plastic container or plastic wrap is microwave safe, you should look on the packaging material for a microwave safe label. Plastic products with an imprinted microwave symbol can be used in the microwave. This symbol is mostly used on reusable plastic storage containers.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.